Want to know how to fix Kimi's login error in Kimi AI on your phone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up Kimi on your phone. So make sure you are able to log in. So if you're not, sometimes it might be your update issue. Or if you have not updated for a long time, this might happen. So make sure you have updated it. So we have also prepared a video on how to update Kimi, so make sure to watch that. So once you have done all of that, if that still doesn't work and if your Wi-Fi is everything is good, sometimes it could be a server side issue as well. So if that's not the case, just simply towards its app settings, and on the bottom right side you should be seeing clear data right here, just simply like that, and here you should be seeing clear cache, just simply like that, and you should be good to go. So if that still doesn't work, just simply select clear all data, select OK, and you can start Kimi fresh. Now I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.